Camping season is upon us, and all I've ever had is a 4-person dome tent, which is way more tent than I need because I'm the only person that ever goes camping in my house. So I got online and I found this Nightcat waterproof backpacking tent. It normally retails for about 65, 70 bucks or so, but I managed to catch it on sale and get it at about half that price. In this video, we'll do an unboxing, setup, and I'll give you my initial thoughts and impressions. So let's get on with the unboxing. Little stakes, just over a foot. Nice. Let's go set it up. I like it. Okay, so the little rainfly here has little hooks on 3 of the corners, but on the 4th corner it is directly attached to the tent. The material that is the floor also wraps up, so I dig that a lot. See, the stakes are damn flimsy. You don't want to go hammering these things. You just want to push them in gently. If you got to hammer them, I would recommend switching these out. I like how it's got this little toggle and you can roll up just the outer door or the inner screen as well. The zippers, they seem okay. They seem kind of light. Okay, I ordered the 1-person tent and I'm sure this is the 1-person tent. I'll put some actual measurements, but it's probably at least 6.5 feet from this end to this end. And it's probably about 4 feet wide here to here. And we'll go inside, see what it's like in there. Not a whole lot of anything going on in here. We got one little pocket here. You can see the rain fly actually covers the whole screen. And then there is also a handy dandy little utility hook up here. It's plastic. But it'd be cool to hang a little camp light or something from, a little camp lantern. So putting the guy lines on there actually got this thing to stand upright more, give you a little bit more headroom, which wasn't really necessary. But I dig it so far. I'm going to dry run camp out in this sucker tonight. I may wind up treating this with some chemical Scotch Guard stuff to kind of waterproof it a little more. There other reviews I've seen have said that it's water resistant. I saw one that said that there was a little bit of seepage, but their words were nothing major. Oh, that's bright. I've got a 23 mile an hour crosswind right now. Yeah, Look at that. It's a good thing I put the guy lines on. So the tent held up real good last night. It was not windy like this most of the night, and the wind didn't pick up until this morning. I had wondered why it came with 9 stakes. I thought maybe there was just one extra, and then I realized, oh, well, maybe that 9th stake is for the door flap here. So you can have kind of this outside yet somewhat covered area. Maybe you can set dirty boots and stuff like that out here that you don't want to drag into the tent. I think if there's anything I don't necessarily like about this tent, it just might be this right here. There's no zipper, so you can't zip this part of it shut. I'll open this up and we'll take a look inside, see how much room there is in there with all the stuff in there. I've got my sleeping mat down and I've got my sleeping bag on top of it, regular full-size pillow. There's plenty of room in here. Slept with my rifle right here, right alongside me. There's plenty of space for gear if it's just yourself and your gear. Found a spot there, it looks kind of thin. That's right where the loop is for the guy line. That's not good. Man, that looks like it's been torn already. Or not already, but it was torn when I got it. And that's just taped over. I mean, I think the seam tape's gonna hold it. I'm gonna keep this and try it for a while. If that starts to come apart, I'm going to, I'll send this back and exchange it for another one. But I'm pretty happy with it overall. Let me see what else was there I noticed in here about how well sealed it is. Just sitting down in the corner. Yeah, this internal seam, it's kind of like there's like a piece of fabric sort of tape over this seam. It looks like that might become a weak point at some point. I mean, it's not right now. Let's look in the other corner in the back here. Oh, there it is. That's what I was thinking of. Anyway, that might be a point of weakness at some point. There's not really a lot of places in here to hang things. It's got one little hook up top. That'll give you one little place you can hang stuff off of. I hung my glasses on it last night. So overall, I do recommend. We will see how it works on actual camping trips. And then the real product will be in, but initially, I dig it. I like it. I recommend it. Night Cat, single person tent. Check it out.